Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to reset a frozen GARMIN Varia RearVue 820. So if your unit stops responding suddenly, you're gonna be able to perform the reset by first turning off your device. To do so, hold down the power button until the green light flashes for a couple of seconds. Then your radar will become disconnected from your other devices, and after that you're gonna have to press and hold the device button for about 10 seconds until the LED flashes continuously with red and green colors. Okay, so like this, and this will reset your device entirely. And one important warning here is that performing this operation will also wipe your connection. So if you want to use your radar with your smartphone and your edge computer once again, you're gonna need to repair it by going to sensors menu and re-adding your radar, since now your radar will become unconnectable. And as you can see, we cannot do anything about it. So instead of connecting it, we're gonna have to remove it from the devices list by going to the remove option and removing our sensor, and then repair it by holding the power button for a couple of seconds until the LED starts blinking purple. Then selecting plus, search all, and waiting until the device finds our radar again. And after we repair it with our edge computer and our smartphone, we'll be able to continue using as usual. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.